Welcome to this brief introduction to the ethical and legal guidelines for administering standardized state tests in the Nebo School District. Every year, the state asks our students to demonstrate what they've learned through standardized assessments. Our duty as educators is to create a fair, secure, and consistent testing environment for every student. We do this by ensuring that our standardized tests are actually standardized, which means that they are administered the same way statewide. The ethical rules outlined in this training help to ensure that the assessments are fair and valid. Upholding test security and ethics isn't just a best practice. It's a professional and legal requirement. Whether you're an administrator, teacher, proctor, or support staff, these rules protect the integrity and the validity of our assessments and the trust of our community. Violating these testing ethics rules, depending on the severity, could result in disciplinary action. In a minute, you will read the complete list of things that we must be sure to do. But for now, some examples include: follow all instructions in the test administration manual. These supersede any general rules. Always have 2 proctors present, one in the room and one who can support multiple rooms. Read all scripts word for word, even for late arrivals. No paraphrasing. Provide allowed accommodations for students with IEPs, 504s, or ML plans. Be an active proctor, not just a passive presence. Move around the room, prevent cheating and distractions, and monitor devices and student screens. Also, in a minute, you will read the complete list of things that are prohibited and we must not do. But for now, some examples include: never reword, explain, or gesture to help students on test items. Don't use prior test forms or unreleased test questions to prepare students for the assessment. Don't permit students to use personal devices or outside resources. This includes smartwatches and phones. Parents may not proctor or observe test sessions. Security must be preserved. Don't give treats or parties only to students who participate or who perform well. This is not allowed. These kinds of non-academic rewards must be for all students, regardless of performance. And do not encourage or suggest that parents opt their child out of testing. There are a few common questions that school staff often ask. What do we do with students whose parents have opted them out? You will find a full list of instructions in the Nebo knowledge base. Remember that you cannot suggest to the parents that they opt out their student. This includes sending out a newsletter to parents with any information about opting out. The parent must ask about it first. Opted-out students may remain in the testing room if they are not disruptive. Please provide them with a quiet, non-distracting alternate activity. What about posters on the classroom walls that provide help, hints, or guidance on answering test questions? They must be covered or removed even if the materials have been on the wall or available all year. How can I communicate about a student or a test item without violating the ethical rules? To help keep student data private, don't use their name in emails. Only use SSID numbers. Report concerns about a test item to the Nebo assessment team or to the assessment's help desk. It is better to have this conversation over the phone than by email. And please don't take any screenshots of the test items. When we uphold these ethical standards, we protect our students, our schools, and the integrity of our assessments. After this video, please take a few minutes to carefully read the full document outlining all expectations. It contains important additional information that you need to know to complete this training, and it is only 4 pages long. Thank you and happy testing!